What's good? It's your favorite investor, and if you just clicked on this video, you're probably wondering if it's a good time to buy dividend stocks. Well, today we'll cover that and let you know exactly what I'm doing in my portfolio. So if you're not aware, dividends are cash distributions paid by companies, usually paid out quarterly, but some can pay out monthly. These companies are usually pretty stable, grow moderately, and you can expect distributions to increase as time goes on. Sounds like a dream. Yeah, I think so too. There's a couple of different ways you can invest in dividend paying companies. You can choose to invest in ETFs or individual stock names. Me personally, I do a bit of both. However, when it comes to the question of is now a good time to buy dividend stocks, then it depends on the method in which I'm investing. Let's break that statement down. So I said we had two forms to invest in dividend ETFs, or individual names. When it comes to ETFs, in my opinion, it's always a good time to buy dividend stocks by using dollar cost averaging. I never have FOMO investing in dividends this way because as the markets rip, I get the benefit of higher share prices. But when the market comes down, I get the benefits of buying at lower share prices. Keep in mind that I do keep a cash reserve that I will choose to invest in the market on market dips. The key word is dips or extended pullbacks. This is where I like to buy even more of these ETFs. So I'll start loading the boat when I see the market starts to slide. So at the moment, it's December of 2024, and I'm not jumping to buy into my favorite dividend ETF at 52-week highs. I'll leave my cash in my brokerage and earn my yield from the money market fund. Now, if we're talking about individual stocks, and this is on a case-by-case basis, we'll go over a few that I have in my portfolio, some stocks that I would not invest in at the moment, and some stocks that I'm looking to continue to add. In my opinion, it's a good time to buy dividend stocks on individual names that have had some sort of extended decline, or names that provide tremendous value but haven't received the love that they deserve. So let's start with SBUX. This was a company that at the beginning of 2024 I really wanted. I was buying tons of shares at $90, $80, $70. However, I have since stopped buying since its rally from the low 70s to today's price of $102. I'm done accumulating shares. The time to buy for me was during those distressed prices. I do, however, have two dividend stocks that I am really liking today. Ticker symbol HCA, which we just broke down in one of our previous videos, and UPS, which I think is extremely suppressed at the moment. These stocks both have very different stories. HCA had a huge year this year, but after reaching its all-time high of $417, it has had a huge pullback into the low 300s. This was due to a not so stellar earnings, and I think that the growth was room in this company, and at these prices, it's a great time to enter. Why do I say that? Because we aren't buying at the top. We aren't buying when it's hyped. We aren't buying when this is on everyone's radar. We're establishing positions at bargain prices, right? We're buying the fear that this will continue to perform poorly. And the reason I'm doing this is because I have conviction that this stock will rebound. This company has a lot of growth potential, and they are a leader in their respective industry. So let's move on to UPS. They had a terrible 2023, and they're following up 2024 just as bad. Really, the momentum in the stock shifted in 2022, and it's not been able to recover since. However, when I look into this a bit, it seems that the stock was running way too high on the COVID pandemic and the growth seen during that era. I think this stock is returning back to its normal valuation, and I'm happy waiting here buying at decent prices while also collecting a 5% dividend. I honestly couldn't tell you how long it'll take UPS to recover its all-time highs. However, I think this is a company that I believe that will find a way to appease shareholders and continue to pay its dividend, and I'm more than happy to sit here and add shares at these prices. So back to the question of is it a good time to buy dividend stocks? The answer is yeah. But I hope I explained to you how I go about not only always investing in stocks, but giving myself outside opportunities in ETFs and individual names, right? I wait for my opportunities to strike, and then I go ahead and I really hit it once I find out exactly what price I want to be buying at. I try to stay away from buying tops. Unless I'm dollar cost averaging, then that's just automatically in my brokerage. Every single week, ETFs are being bought, whether the market's high or low. But anyways, I hope y'all got some value from this video. Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you can. It's your favorite investor, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.